my channel, Stylish Hidden Treasures. My name is Mary and I'm a full-time reseller on both eBay and Poshmark. Today I'm bringing you another unboxing from the thredup 10-pound scrap fabric box, I believe is what it's called. This particular box costs $25, and then I think shipping is somewhere around $10.99. So it is a very low cost going in when it comes to investment. If you guys have not checked out my last two videos of this particular box, it was amazing. The very first thredup, it was not the very first thredup box I had ever did of the scrap fabric, but the very first box of the two of the last videos that I just made, I think about a week ago. The very first box had a Johnny Was dress, perfect mint condition, and a Madewell dress. I mean, everything in that box was completely wearable. No actual scrap material of any sort, any kind of upcycling type of materials, like nothing, just straight clothing that you can wear. That box was amazing. And of all the boxes that I have got from thredup, by far, that was the best box when it comes to investment. The Johnny Was dress alone sold, I believe within 3 days for $145. Now remember, the whole box was just 25 bucks. Then I did a second video because I got 2 boxes at the time, and I think it was Amanda Martin or something like that. I can't remember exactly the brand, but it was 100% silk dress. Had no idea that that particular brand sold for as well as it did. That sold for $60-something within 2 days. It actually sold quicker than the Johnny Was. So I have made all of my money back and a large profit already just on those 2 boxes. So I decided, why not get 2 more boxes? After all, they're only 25 bucks. So I'm going to do batch recording. You're going to see this dress in both unboxings. Now, I'm going to be practical. The odds of getting anything near as good as what I got is probably, the odds are very high. Well, let's reverse that. The odds are very low when it comes to hitting the jackpot like I did. But I'm optimistic that these boxes are worth getting, that there's a really good chance this could be a pretty good box. So let's go ahead and get started. If you're new to my channel, I have mystery unboxings, I have Goodwill thrift hauls, I have what-to videos, tutorials, all that fun stuff. So please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you as a subscriber. So this came, actually both boxes came from Arizona, which is where, Phoenix, Arizona, which is where both of the other boxes came from. So everything that I get from the Arizona warehouse seems to be very good. I don't know. Most of what I get comes from Pennsylvania. All right, so here is the first glance, which looks promising. So we have quite a bit of different types of fabrics, it looks like. I think I see some silk, I'm not sure. And then I may be a little different than some resellers when it comes to this box, because I do make things with fabric. I make pillows, which I upcycle and then sell on eBay and Poshmark, and most of all my pillows are sold at this point. I do make blankets and things like that. So I can literally use the scrap fabric if that's what I get, but I kind of prefer it to be pieces I can resell. So, all right, very first thing is what looks like a really pretty scarf. This is I'm pretty sure this is polyester. I sell a lot of scarves. This particular one has kind of like an Aztec print. It is fringed with some little sequins. So, I mean, it looks like it's in perfect condition. There's nothing wrong with it. It is definitely something that can sell. So, not bad. I will take it. Next is what I saw on top, which looked like silk. And I feel something kind of weird in it, so I'm not sure what's going on. Interesting. Like, I don't know what this is. Okay, so let's take it out. So this looks like maybe it's a dress. Oh, it is a dress. Wow. Something tells me this has some value to it. So this is kind of like a, I guess, midi to maxi length. It has kind of like a dotted, kind of embossed print. It's nice and flowy. It has kind of a shark bite hem, and then it has this heavy, like rope type of halter design. And this piece right here, whatever this is, has weight. It has kind of like a woven metal kind of design, very artisan, art to wear type of vibe to it. And then this is not semi-precious. I believe it's like an enamel bead, but whatever this is alone, this is expensive. So let's see, is there a brand? There is, but it's in such, it is such cursive that I have no idea. Let me see here. Something to, I can like smell money. If you guys are a reseller and you go like to the bins and places like that, the longer you're doing it, the more you can just sense when something has some value. Like, you may have not even looked up comps, and I know somebody there understands what I'm saying, but everything, the way the fabric feels, the tag looks substantial, you just know that it has money. Y'all, everything in me tells me this is a very expensive brand. I don't know if you can see this or not. I will look up comps after I edit this video and let you know. I just know this is worth some money. I think it is, I don't know if I could spell this. I think it's a TLOPLORANGLES. Like, that doesn't even spell a word, right? So I definitely need to look this up. And then here's the metal tag. Y'all, I know this is expensive. Whatever this is has some substantial value. And this piece alone by itself, if this was off of this and it was at the bins, I would have picked this up just to make jewelry from it, because this definitely has a beautiful look to it. So don't know what this is yet, but I am telling you, it is $sign, whatever it is. But I will let you know when I look it up. So next is, thought it was a pillowcase, but I don't think it is. Okay, it's Merona. So this is an old Target brand. I don't think Merona is sold anymore at Target, but it's like a little shift dress, kind of a satiny feel. It's green. It's a size large. There's nothing wrong with it. I mean, it's not going to get us a whole lot. And there's nothing wrong with it, but it'll sell. So not mad about that. Next looks like a knit dress. Okay, great. So this is Old Navy. This is a 2X, and it is like a knit, kind of like a fit and flare type of style dress. Kind of a wine purpley kind of color. This behind us, this half of this extremely long rack is my Free People and Anthropologie, Zara, those brands which you see the racks are a little bit bare, which is good because a lot of stuff sold yesterday. On the other side is all my plus size stuff that I will be doing. I usually do those shows on Fridays and then the Free People on Tuesday. So this can easily add into the plus size, so I am happy about that. And it's just a stretchy knit, and then it has a keyhole and a button. So this is good. So next is, oh great. So this is Loft Plus, which if you guys just checked out my haul video from the Goodwill outlet a couple days ago, I mentioned, because I had a Loft Plus top in there, and Loft did have a plus size line for a while, and I thought it was doing good, and then it just kind of disappeared. So I don't know, but from what I've been told, these items are desirable because they simply don't make them anymore. So I don't know what size this is, but by looking at it, it looks every bit of a 5X, which The top that I showed in the haul was a 26-28, which is about that. So this is great. Someone cut out the size tag, but that's not a big deal. We can simply do the measurements and list that. Long sleeve. It is floral, and then it has like a little belted design. The hem has a little a little ruffle. So I think this is going to be good. I'm going to double check the fabric to see, or not the fabric, but the tag to see if maybe the size is in here, but probably not. I don't even know. I don't think it's in here, because usually, I think her stuff, usually the fabric content is behind the size tag. Oh, here it is. I am not telling the truth on that one. No, it's just polyester and there's no size. Okay, so this is not the end of the world, guys. I am totally going to sell this and probably get pretty decent little amount of money for it. So I like that it is belted as well. So 2 plus size brands, good. I am trying to pick up as much plus size as possible. Okay, so this looks like a knit dress. And this is an Old Navy extra large. And it's just kind of like a tank maxi. It's just a navy blue. Has a little bit of a high-low in the front. I actually wear extra large in Old Navy, so I might even keep this. I'll be on the fence because it has a little bit of piling right here, a little bit of wash wear. Like, I don't care. So, yeah, and it's stretchy. So, I don't know. That's good. If I don't sell it, I'll simply keep it. Which is always fun, right? To be able to keep something out of these boxes. Treat yourself. All right, so here's another maxi dress. This brand is called Bellamy. I hope I'm saying that right. There is no size. Looks like a small, maybe even an extra small. I like it though. It is kind of like a rust brown, orangey color. It has pockets. Let's see if the fabric content has the size on it, because sometimes these brands do. Well, it's completely faded out, but that's okay. I'm pretty sure this is a size small. All right. Sorry about that. So next is another beautiful scarf. This is kind of a woven design. It has like paisley, it has beaded detailing, it has fringe. It feels like wool. Like, I don't know that it is, but it feels like it. It is long. And I don't see any tags. I don't see any holes. I don't see anything that's any problem. But stuff like this sells, guys. I pick up scarves all the time. So I'll probably wait till the warmer, or actually cooler months when you want to be warm, let's put it that way. But this will definitely sell. So very good. Now, is there a Johnny Was in here? Absolutely not. But everything they sent me, guys, is like in really good condition. It's wearable pieces. It is sellable pieces. So I'm okay with that. And nothing I have picked up or I have got out of this box yet is something I would not have picked up at the bin. So next is, okay, I'm trying to figure this out. Is this a skirt? I think it's a maxi skirt, but then that doesn't make sense what that was. Okay, maybe that's just a little bit of like a slip. So I think this is just a maxi skirt, and it's blue, and it has a little bit of a, almost like a space dye pattern. It is a pull-on. I think maybe this is like a convertible dress, so I think maybe, I don't know. I don't know if you could wear this like the tube top part or not. So, I don't know, but it'll sell. It doesn't have a brand. It doesn't have a size, but it's a maxi skirt, so somebody will buy it. All right, so now we have a little dress. This too does not appear to have a size. I will look, but it's pretty. It has this kind of stitching, almost like embroidered front here. It is white, kind of has a crinkle textured feel, and it has a built-in slip underneath. This is actually a pretty dress. Let's see if there is a size. There's a little built-in slip. No, no size. No size, no brand. But that's okay. Just like I said in my hauls, there are a lot of things I sell that do not have either or, and they still sell. If the keywords are there, like in this, I would say probably Southwestern maybe. What do you guys think? Southwestern, maybe boho, island kind of vibes, you know, something like that. If you put the right keywords in, you'll still attract the right customer. So I am not upset about that dress either. And here's the last piece, which seems like maybe a jersey dress again. Oh, I think it's the same thing as the blue one, which has no name and no tag. Okay. See, this is what I mean. This is kind of weird. So this has to be the slip. So this is a matching, I guess the same thing. It's just a jersey knit skirt, and it's stretchy. I mean, it'll work. It's great. So no size, no tag, but it's in good condition, so it'll sell. So how many pieces did we end up getting? We got the gray, so we got 1. We got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. And something tells me this one that has like this bead thing, I'm really thinking this is worth money. So for $25, I got 11 pieces. If I can at least make my money back, which I completely know I will, I've done good. So overall, I'm pretty happy with this box. Now, like I said, is it anywhere on the level of the box that had the Johnny Was and the Madewell and the silk dress? No. However, the box that had the silk dress was like this box. Like, it had wearable pieces, not high-end pieces, but wearable pieces. It actually had some scrap fabric too. This one had no scrap fabric, and this is probably going to be the equivalent to what that silk dress box was. I'm about sure of it, and I'm pretty sure this is silk. I didn't see a tag, but I'm pretty sure it is. So overall, what do you guys think? Now, we have to look at it in a realistic standpoint. It was only 25 bucks, and I mean, I got quite a bit of pieces, so I think overall this was a good investment. So thank you guys for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing. Stay tuned for the next box. It may be fabulous. It's sitting right there. We're about to unbox that one next. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.